5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Easy now, easy now.
Hello Kizomba lovers, here Armand
and Lavinia,
and welcome to another Kizomba tutorial.
Today we are going to learn a variation for Saida Men opening, and we are going to share with you as well some little tips and tricks and some styling as well. So stay with us until the end.
And if you know another name for this move, let us know in the comments. Let's go! For the leaders, we go forward into a Saida Men. 1, on 2 I go forward, 2, on 3 I try to open and step back, 3, on 4 I step close to my left leg, 4, on 5 I change the place, 5, to the side, 6, and slow marca, 7, 8.
For the ladies, we are going to begin with a Saida Men, and we have 2 steps back, 1, 2, then we go to the side, we continue and we do a semicircle, and we are going to close, then we proceed into the closing, to the side, and together.
For the readers, an important tip here, 1, 2, when I step back, I turn my left part of the body, boom, so I can open, and after that close, forward, and to the side. Let's try to do it in couples. So I'm going to start like this. For me as a leader, I go into the Saida Men, 1. On 2, a little bit I slide my right arm to her shoulder blade, 2. And from this position, when I step back, I use my frame and also my body. I push a little bit here with my forearm, so I can move my partner to the side. I clear her way. And from this position also, with my right arm and with my frame, I bring her forward. We are face and face. And from this position, I use my palm to close her. In front, to the side, and marca. From this position again, 1, I slide my arm. 2, I use my forearm. 3, I use my arm to bring her forward. 4, 5, I close. 6, 7, 8, marca.
For the ladies, we start with Saida Men, 1, 2, then when the boy is creating space for us, we make sure to step to the side, but not a very big step, we try to keep it small. Then as we continue, we try to stay in the middle of our partner, yeah, and then when we close, we make again the contact, the chest contact, and together.
Some tips and tricks for you now. For the leaders, here, 1, on 2, I try a little bit to orientate my left toes like this, so I can open easily, okay? So I'm not going to step like forward, and from this position do this because it's harder. So I steal a little bit. 1, I turn a little bit, I open, close, facing together, and marca.
Ladies, in order to have a clean footwork, on the 3rd step, 1, 2, and 3, make sure that you have that checkpoint, yeah, here, and then you go to the side in order to have a much more beautiful way of stepping.
One variation for you, so you can practice and play when you dance. For example, I start the move like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here on 5 when I close, I enter again in the move, so I repeat it. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, basic 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to add some footwork to this move. For example, me as a leader, I go like 1, 2, and here on 3, I do a semicircle. And 3, I step, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ladies, we can also add a little bit of footwork, and I'm going to show you exactly where. So we have 1, 2, and here instead of going to the side, we close together our legs, knees bent, weight on the ball of the feet. We do a small pivot, transfer the weight at the end, on 3, then we continue 4, 5, 6, and together. Now let's see how the variation and the footwork look together in partner work.
So 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, basic 2 and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Easy now, yeah, yeah. Easy now.
That's it, Kizomberos. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please, if you want us to make more tutorials, give us your support and let us know in the comments if you know another name for this move. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. See you next time. Bye bye.